YouTube, welcome to my channel. My name is Shir, I live in Berlin, and on today's video I'm going to give you some vegan meal ideas that I made in my vegan week challenge and also after the vegan week challenge. If you want to see how it went for me on my vegan week challenge, then click right here. Let's start. Okay, we start by a little open sandwich snack with peanut butter, nectarine. It was in summer, but you can swipe it with berries probably, and basil leaves. I know it might sound weird, but trust me on this. Right in between savory and sweet, and a really great snack with high protein and good fat. Second snack is a sandwich with hummus, vegan sausage, tomato, and pickles with pepper and salt. This is the hummus that I used, and on to the next snack. Third and very colorful snack was with horseradish and beet spread, vegan sausage, pickles, basil leaves, and it was more to the sweet side, so I would add a bit more of salt to it. Onto the lunch/dinner section. Soak the rice in hot water, cut one onion into quarters or strips and fry in 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Add the rice and mix well so it won't get stuck to the bottom of the pot. Season with salt and pepper, cover and let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Now we make the peas. Fry some garlic in olive oil, and then add the peas and mix well. Add the tomato paste and water, mix and season with salt, paprika, pepper and a bit of sugar. Okay, rice looks ready. Fluff it around with a fork and just take it off the heat. The pea sauce looks pretty thick and dense, so it means it's ready. Let's plate. A bit of rice, a lot of rice, some of the peas, and I also put some sumac on top of the rice. Very good. Another great lunch/dinner idea is a tofu stir fry. I actually started from dry fried the tofu cubes after I dried them in a paper towel. And then I fried all the veggies, onions, broccoli, carrots, mushrooms, and the sauce is hoisin, soy, sesame oil, peanut butter, sriracha, lemon juice, and some fresh chili on top. So good. The noodles absorbed all the flavors. Next we have some chickpea curry. First we're roasting the vegetables. It's zucchini, potatoes and sweet potatoes for 20-25 minutes on a preheated oven on 200 degrees. Fry onion and chickpeas, add curry paste and vegetable stock and coconut milk, peanut butter, lime juice and mix well until it's all combined. Then add some pepper and salt, and when the vegetables are ready, add them also to the pot and mix well. And serve. I also put some spring onions and hot chili on top for garnish and some lime on the side. This beetroot salad is so amazing, you have to make it. Cut pre-cooked beets into cubes, add some garlic, I think it was 2 cloves, and some olive oil and vinegar and mix. Add also salt and pepper to taste and try it. You can fix seasoning to your own liking, and what's best about this salad is that it's becoming even tastier after a day or two in the fridge, so you can always take out of it and eat from it next to your meal. This is actually a recipe that I made on my channel. You can watch it up there or in the description below. There will be a link to how to make it. It's a rolled pastry with date spread or jam to your choice, and it's really wonderful. Crispy on the outside, soft inside, sweet but not too sweet because of the dough is balanced. And yeah, go and check it out. Another really good dessert that I made is this wonderful velvety chocolate cake. I mixed flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, sugar, almond milk, oil, and vanilla. I baked it in a preheated oven on 180 degrees for around 30 minutes. The frosting is cocoa powder, powdered sugar, a little bit of maple syrup, and some almond milk. And I just topped it with the frosting, and it's so lovely and so soft and dark and rich. Very, very good chocolate cake. Dense but airy. The amounts are in the description below. If you want to see more videos like that, then tell me in the comment below. If something is not clear, then also write me comments. I will write you back and explain everything that is not explained enough. And if you want to see more videos in this area, then tell me also in the comments. If you want to help me create more videos like this, you can also support my channel through my Ko-fi page that I will link right below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like that, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so you get notifications when I upload new videos. And I hope I'll see you on the next video. Bye!